Welcome to this step-by-step guide on installing a smart lock with fingerprint, passcode, and manual key access. Today, we'll transform a traditional door lock into a modern security system that offers multiple convenient ways to enter your home. Before we begin, let's gather the tools you'll need. You'll want a Phillips head screwdriver, the smart lock kit with all its components, and about 30 minutes of your time. Make sure to read through the manufacturer's instructions, as specific models may have slight variations. The first step is removing your existing lock. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the interior side of your current deadbolt. Once the screws are out, you can pull the exterior and interior assemblies apart. Set the old hardware aside and examine the door to ensure the borehole is clean and free of debris. Now let's prepare the new smart lock components. Your kit should include the exterior assembly with the keypad and fingerprint scanner, the interior assembly with the battery compartment, the latch mechanism, and mounting hardware. Take a moment to identify each piece and ensure nothing is missing. Installing the latch is your next step. Insert the latch mechanism into the edge of the door, making sure the beveled side of the latch bolt faces the direction the door closes. Secure it with the provided screws, but don't over-tighten them yet. We'll make final adjustments later. With the hardware installed, it's time to program your smart lock. Most models will prompt you to set up an admin code first. Enter your desired master passcode using the keypad. Choose something memorable but secure, avoiding obvious combinations like 1234 or your birthday. Before we finish, let's go over some important maintenance tips. Check and replace the batteries every 6 months or sooner if you receive low battery warnings. Clean the fingerprint scanner monthly with a soft, dry cloth to maintain accuracy. And keep the mechanical components lubricated with graphite powder, never oil, which can attract dust and gum up the works. If you experience any issues, most problems can be solved by checking the battery level, ensuring the door is properly aligned, and verifying that all cable connections are secure. Consult your user manual for model-specific troubleshooting steps. Congratulations! You've successfully installed a smart lock with fingerprint, passcode, and manual key access. You now have a secure, convenient entry system that combines modern technology with reliable backup options. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly who enters your home and when. Thank you for following along with this installation guide. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more home improvement tutorials.